Penthouse, that was Butcher. So
Yeah.
then now when you got to Madhouse, this
Yeah.
is when we got introduced to somebody new, which was a Baby Cham.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. You
All
know what I
right.
mean?
All right. Cham now, I knew Cham like both ways. Like I knew Cham through Spragga Benz. Spragga Benz always have Cham on the road with him before. But then now, a youth named Daddy Al from Chaplets introduced me to him and I said, yo, my artist, you know, and I want to tell you, say, from the day that him introduced Cham to me, Cham coming like a me response to him. Him ending up on my ends and he never leave.
Yeah.
So come, but ending up carrying my penthouse and me and him start par. So and in their penthouse and
From Penthouse days.
Yeah man, let me tell this for recording. At first Dave never want to record Baby Cham. At first, Dave never want to record Baby Cham. This is the truth. This is the truth. I'm a Bible. This is the truth, the whole truth, and I'm the truth. So help me God. I'm a Bible.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And then him record him the same rhythm when we do turn away, you don't have to look in their face. Then him do I'm gonna fight over man, them so. You know, but him used to record like a couple songs for John before too. And you know, yeah.
Okay.
But you know, that's when we bring in they really accept him. You know, cause every day my place him there, for my ends him there every day. Every day. You know what I mean? So that's you know really get in and you know, Spragga do a song now come in from Penthouse. And the when we do romance span. So them always, you know, it's like a flow, it's like a, you know, we're always there. It's like this big boiling pot, a soup, you know? Yeah.
And everybody's always in crazy because I don't know what it is with you as a singer, why it's always the DJs you're always linking with a DJ instead, I guess, of another singer.
Because them love my vibe, means a DJ and a singer skin, because surprise was always there. Not for the things when we hear me spit. You know, surprise me always a DJ as a singer still, but them things I joke, so them end up take it like all. Deportee, and me and Frankie Sly write Deportee. You know, me and Frankie Sly write Deportee, you know.
What did you say?
Me and Frankie Sly wrote Deportee.
No clue.
I mean, we co-wrote Murder. I was in Japan when Panet passed away. Everybody was in my room. All right, we wrote Murderer. The song that I record for Stone Love, Only You. If you listen to the second verse where I say, I can remember a friend whose life has ended. For no special reason, he was branded. Upon it, me I talk about Only You. You know, Murderer, the same thing.
Yes, on the thing there, it's on the Billie Jean rhythm that they did over.
Yeah. So everything is basically off a vibe. All of these, most of these songs is like from personal experience. Like Informer. When I wrote Informer, I went down by the wharf.
Yeah.
Informer on the Brookout. I went down at the wharf. I was clearing a bed set. And time I said, no, a pretty bed set. You know them the white pretty bed set at them time there. Said, yeah. So I cleared the wharf now. So when I went by the wharf, I see some youth. I said, yo, singer, woke up, just give you a thing and we make it happen for you. No, a supervisor was there where I fight the youth them. So I exact thing where them say me sing, you know. Because the youth them I lick out. I said, watch out, must start the Informer boy. They don't know why I them for stop, man. Hustling. You know them thing there? Garrison thing. So it's the exact thing where them say me sing, you know. We in the factory working. But when I say warehouse, the warehouse is sound away. So I say in the factory.
Yeah.
I take out the bed set from out of the warehouse.
Yeah.
But warehouse is sound like an awkward, you know?
Yeah.
So I say in the factory working, hustling on the side, we shot the man them. One the hustling on the side. See the Informer is lurking, which is the supervisor boy. See? You know, so all them for stop man hustling. And that the youth them I say. When we have picked up feed and move on a breed. You know what I mean? But we just kind of pep it up like, you know?
Yeah. Listen, and that's where the whole, I think for me, that's where the whole, and we spoke about this off the air, but we never spoke on the air. This is where the whole pussy wall came in. And that's where you guys put the real P on it. Pussy wall.
Now the bounty killer there. When they took the one, they were rolling up the expression there. You just bust it out like a father.
Yeah, man.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusica.com.